Hey little kids, today I'm going to learn you counting 11 to 20. I'm using here clay to make the numbers. So let's follow me. I'm making here 11 with the red color clay. 1, 1, 11. So let's make another one. One, 11 is done. So let's make 12. Here I am using a light blue color clay to make 12. Here I make 1. So let's make 2. One, 2, 12 is done. Let's make 13. I am using here pink color clay to make 13. 1, 3, 13. Here I am making 1 and then I will make 3. One, 3, 13 is done. So let's make 14. Here I am using orange color clay to make 14. I am making here 1 and then I will make 4. So let's make 4. One, 4, 14 is done. Let's make 15. Here I am using deep green color clay to make 15. Here I am making 1 and let's make 5. One, 5, 15 is done. Now it's time to make 16. I am using here purple color clay to make 16. Here I am making 1 and let's make 6. One, 6, 16 is done. So let's make 17. I am using here deep blue color clay to make 17. I am making here 1 and then I will make 7. 1, 7, 17 is done. So let's make 18. Here I am using brown color clay to make 18. I am making here 1 and let's make 8. One, 8, 18 is done. So let's make 19. Here I am using light green color clay to make 19. I am making here 1 and let's make 9. One, 9, 19 is done. So let's make 20. Here I am using yellow color clay to make 20. Two is done. Let's make 0. Two, 0, 20 is done. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos for you. Till then, bye bye little kids.